My name's Brad and we're in Daveston, South Australia. This is the old coach house in Daveston, roughly 1854. So I've lived here for the last 20 years. 2 little girls and a beautiful wife. The energy consumption slowly, progressively going up every year, and you see the costs spiralling, not out of control, but you just kind of realise you've got to do something, and hence we went for some solar. And all our families have kind of been on solar for a little while and egging us along a little bit, and we were the last ones to do it. The old stone house, so in winter time it's very hard to get warm. It cools down, it's very cold here in winter. So yeah, we use a lot more energy in winter. In summertime it's not quite so bad unless we have a massive heat wave, and then yeah. But yes, then in summertime we're not quite so bad with the energy consumption. We were looking a bit over 2,000 a year, which isn't that bad realistically, but it's only going to go up and up. So yeah, to try and cut as much expense as we can with that, with using the solar, is yeah, definitely what we were looking at. Definitely our power bill's a lot less. We're waiting for this next one, which actually we should get it this week, I would think. And definitely we're looking, it should be just about clearing itself, so a zero payment. Maybe batteries in the future, but yeah, I'll wait and see how we go with that.